Hello, and we are back for day 2 of our Make With Me Crochet Stitches Sampler welcome mat. Yesterday, I showed you guys how to do a chain, and then how to crochet a single crochet, and how to start a new row. So today, I'm going to show you how to change colors and how to make a double crochet. Let's get started. I'm going to change my color from this dark red to this light gray, and I want to make a slip knot in the gray. I'm going to put that aside and grab my work from yesterday. Here's my big loop I pulled. I'll put my hook in that loop and close it tight, pull it tight, so it looks like that. And then I'm going to put the loop from the gray on top of that, and I'm going to pull the gray through and make a chain. So if you remember from yesterday, when we start a new row, we would chain 1 and start that row. So this is similar to that chain 1, but because we're going to do a double crochet, we want it to be a chain 2. So I'm going to chain 1 more time, and now I'm ready to begin my double crochet. I'm going to go ahead and snip the red piece off. It kind of drives me crazy to have that there, and so we're going to go ahead and cut that off. Okay, now we're ready for our double crochet. So this is very similar to a single, but there's an extra step or steps. So you'll begin by yarning over, and then you will put your hook into that first stitch, yarn over, oh sorry, my tail's in the way, yarn over, pull through. You should have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through the last 2, and that is a double crochet. So once again, you will yarn over before you insert your hook into that next stitch, yarn over, pull through. You should have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And that is a double crochet. So if you remember from yesterday, we have 65 stitches in our rows. So I'm going to finish this first row of double crochets, and I'm going to make 65 of them, and then I will get back with you. Okay, I'm at the end of my row, so I thought I would finish this row with you guys. I am going to yarn over, insert my hook, yarn over, pull through, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. That's my 64th double crochet, and this will be 65. And that is the end of my first row of double crochets. We are going to make 3 rows for this section. So to start a new row, you will chain 2, 1, 2, turn your work, and begin in that last double crochet, yarning over, inserting your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and you'll just repeat all the way across, and then you will do a 3rd row after that. So there you go. You are finished with day 2. Remember, pull your loop nice and big so that if this string gets pulled on, it doesn't pull out all your work you just did. So there you guys go. You are 10% of the way done with your welcome mat, which is exciting. And remember to tuck those strings in. Mine are kind of over here. I'm going to do that real quick so I don't have to tuck all the strings in at the end. And join me tomorrow where I will change colors again. And tomorrow I will show you how to make a half double crochet stitch. See you guys tomorrow.
If you would like to see more, please like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss a video.